Welcome to Room 2's Assembly. Our assembly is about Black History Month. Black History Month is celebrated in October. We use this opportunity to celebrate the achievements of Black people now and in the past. Black History Month is celebrated in lots of different ways. Parties, concerts, historic tours, movies, talks, exhibitions, special TV shows and exciting vibrant carnivals. And in school we do special lessons to celebrate. Can you name these 3 famous faces? Have a class chat about who they are and what they have achieved.
Mary Seacole. Mary was born 200 years ago in
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Good.
Her mom was a
Healer.
and
Taught
her how to help people.
Good reading.
Mary wanted to help soldiers.
Good.
In
Crimea.
but she was told no. Mary went
Anyway
and set up her own hospital.
Good reading.
She went onto the
Battlefield.
battlefield to help soldiers.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama. He made huge steps with climate change. Obama works hard to promote equality. He worked to create laws which helped the vulnerable people. Obama was the first African American president. We learn about Jesse Smith. Jesse Smith is a sporting hero.
School and streets were named after him. Good.
He won 4 medals in 1 Olympic Games.